Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Tutorials 2K21, and today we are going to learn destructors in C++ programming. So as like constructors, destructors is also a special member functions that is automatically called when an object is destroyed. And the destructor is called automatically by the compiler when the object goes out of the scope, that is when a function ends, the local objects created within it also gets destroyed with it. And the destructor has the name same to the class name, but the name is preceding with a tilde symbol. And a destructor has no return type and it doesn't receive any parameters. So as like constructors, we cannot pass any arguments to a destructor. So now this is the syntax of a destructor. So simply the destructor name is same as the class name and it is going to be preceding with a tilde symbol. And here it is open and close brace. And now the destructor doesn't having any return types and no arguments. And here is an example that illustrates the destructor concept in C++. And here my first class, the name is department. And in my public section, I am declaring my default constructor. And now you can see this is a default constructor because it doesn't having any arguments and the function name is similar to my class. And this default constructor, I'm going to display a statement like default constructor is called from the department class. When this constructor is called by my compiler, I'm trying to display this message on my screen. And this is a destructor. So now you can observe that here also the function is having the name of my class and it is preceding with a symbol type. So when this destructor is called, so it will give you an information like destructor is invoked for department class. And now the department class is ended here. So here this is my second class employee. In this employee class, I am creating one constructor employee. And in this constructor, I'm going to display like default constructor is called from an employee class. And this is my destructor which I'm created for my employee class. Because see, this is a class name and proceeding with the type symbol. And here, whenever this destructor is called, it is going to display destructor is invoked from the employee class. And here it is a closing of employee class. And in my program, I have two classes, department and employee. And in my main function, I'm creating two objects. So at that time, when an object is created, it automatically calls the default constructor. So in your output, it will show you default constructor called from department class. And after that, the employee object is created and it is going to call the constructor of this employee class. So it will display default constructor called from employee class. And after this, now my compiler is at class employee and here after I'm calling this constructor of employee and now it is going to invoke the destructor of employee. So it will show you like destructor invoked for employee class. And then the scope of this particular object is destroyed. Now it is coming to a next class that is department and it will show you destructed invoked for department class. So this is a concept of destructors in C++.